Okay, it's just done that literally just the second I pressed that button. Bloody stop, and it keeps messing me about a bit. Okay. So this is the bloody. I don't like the taskbar at the bottom, right? So what you get here is, if you didn't know, you get this kind of menu. What I'll do is I'll get that thing, Win Aero thing, and it basically makes it look like Windows 7. And you got your settings. I'm more familiar with this because when I first had Windows 10 I didn't know anything about it. You get this business here, and then you get the bit that's the I don't like the way they did this. This is kind of ugh, to be honest. It's working with the resolution there. There's, how do you get into that? Oh, you have to go down here. What you do is you go Windows Accessories. No, it's not there, is it? It's in Windows System. Get rid of that. And you can find the old control panel in there. It is that. There we are. When you first have it, you go, oh no, where is everything? I hate it. Oh, I'm going to get online with this. Power options again. I want. Oh, you have to do. Oh man, that's not funny. Yeah, I've got to set this up, but I'll try and get it online. And what I'll have to do is I'll come back and then try and get this set up here, and then see if I can just get it online and show that it's the. Maybe it needs drivers then. Oh no, I don't know what I'm going to need to make that work on there. I have to go online with my laptop and see if I can download any drivers that are not. Well, I had a problem with the wireless card. It's not recognised, and it looks over the internet, and basically if you go into control panel, device manager, go click on the PCI communications device, which is what it is, and then do search manually for a driver. You pick a list, Intel Corporation 3945 ABG. I just installed the wrong one by accident. It's in Windows 10. I can't find a driver otherwise for this. That's it. There it is. So this is the driver. So I've been trying to get to go online with it, and it's just not finding the card because there's no drivers for it for this card. Right, so then if I network settings, so I'm doing something wrong. There we are. Not connected. How do I connect it then? I'm being stupid here, aren't I? It's not telling me whether. I just put the driver on there. This is funny. I gotta get online with this. Not connected. Details. Unless the connectors are back to front. Oh no, it could be that. Does it really matter? Unless it's not physically switched on. Not giving me anything, is it? Oh my god, what's it doing here? Maybe I needed to restart. What is it doing? It's just done something now. I don't know what's happened there. Hello? I don't know what it's doing. Right, I think this is the graphics card, but I'm not quite sure. So things get delivered all the time, so I'll have a look in here. There it is there. Oh, if we actually get that open then. God, it's a tiny house to get this out. Oh, there's even the damn thing on. Oh, there it is. biggest box I've ever seen as it is. It is. Oh Jesus, this is massive. Wow, okay. I didn't think it was my graphics card. It's bloody huge. Absolutely. Oh, I don't know if that's going to fit in my machine. Okay, it's this graphics card, right? Was in this box. That you'd think it'd be in something sort of half the size. Damn. Yeah, that's the graphics card. It's an HD AMD HD 7750. For a second I thought, oh, it wasn't my thing, because there's other things that get ordered that's nothing to do with me. So yeah, there it is. Bloody massive. I thought this was metal. It's like a plastic top to it. But yeah, there it is. That's coming out reasonably well on the camera, but what a box to send it in, man. So anyway, I'm going to put this into the. Oh, it's a bit dirty. There's some dust on it. There's a bit of dust there. Get a little bit round, am I? But yeah, it's a bit dusty. It's a gigabyte. It's not a. In the different variants, I think. We've got the. Oh, it's got an SVGA on it. TVI, HDMI, SVGA. Yeah, but what a box to put it in, man. So I'll put that into the Dell and we'll see how it goes. Can't believe this box. Unbelievable. Plenty of these, so. I thought, oh no, come tomorrow. It'll definitely be tomorrow then. The machine came yesterday and it was like, okay, that was quick. Yeah. This is very dirty. I can't believe this must have been in a serious gaming rig. It doesn't smell like cigarette smoke. So. Running an i5 off its internal graphics thing is not a very good idea. Really rubbish. It's very dirty though, I don't... Oh. Big card though. Fun cleaning fan blades on graphics cards, isn't it? Make a lot of noise if it wasn't cleaned anyway. It would be very, very noisy. That is a lot of dirt come off now. I didn't know why that. To do with it, I'll just go over with. I will put more memory in it because it's only got 4 gig main memory anyway, and that's not really enough. I think 8 gig would be much better, so I'll try and sort that out. Yeah, quite, that's just dirty. This has got a gig on it, so I couldn't get one with 2 gig because they tend to be like quite expensive. And again, I don't really game, not in a modern sense. But I'm running a 3rd Gen i5 now rather than a high-end Core 2 Duo, Core 2 Quad machine. Core 2 Quad is what I had before. If that's got a lot of dust in it there. Yeah, it's relatively clean. I mean, I could have another go at cleaning it a little bit more, but it's these edges have got more crap on them than anything. See that very well, but yeah, it's coming off loads of. Man, I'm not sure you take the fans off of these just to get them actually so it'll be easier to clean, but there's a lot of dirt on that. We need to run with a nice that going making a purring or roaring noise, which is what they do if they got really dirty. That is dirty. I don't think it's got a light on it or nothing, but there we go, that will do. And then what I'll do is I'll use some of this. What I'll do is I'm just going to clean the contacts on it, which is just reasonable. It's not going to hurt it at all. Did it on the Core 2 Quad when I got that way back. So I'm going to put that on here. So I'm doing. I'm not looking at the thing properly. Bloody hell! It's all kicking off. It's come out of a really dirty computer. I don't know. So oh, look, there's a little bit of dirt on that. Oh, this camera's picking this up, but it's like. It just doesn't do any harm. Actually, I thought it would damage it, but this is like it's not a bad idea just to clean it in general. I had a sound card I put in a very old computer, and the sound card had been sat around for about 10 years, and it had all dirt on it, and it just didn't work. I cleaned the contacts, and it was like, oh, it worked absolutely fine. So sometimes it is worth cleaning the contacts. There's a little bit of dirt coming off of that. Okay. It's small, I probably can't see it in this light, but it's very, very slight. And I can't be clean inside of it, it's cleaning this whatever these earth things, these bits are. I didn't know it had an SVGA on it, which is interesting. Hey, I could do a dual display then, can't I? So I've got loads of SVGA monitors. Got only one. I've got two televisions, but one's pretty old, LCD, and then I've got my main DVI. So I could do a dual monitor. I'll put on that. Okay, that'll do it. I think I will do that. I mean, seriously, that's just bad.